3D printing has a dream. And sure, making cool stuff is part of it. But the dream is much bigger than that. So much bigger. 3D printing is about transforming manufacturing, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient, eliminating waste and design limitations, and expensive tools that prevent inventors from taking risks. 3D printing makes sure everybody gets a chance to make their idea a reality. A lot of people talk about the dream, but at EnvisionTEC, we've been delivering it for 15 years as the top 3D technology for mass customized hearing aids, paving the way for digital dentistry and bioprinting technology for advancements in medical research. We commercialized the first robotic 3D printing. At EnvisionTEC, we've been pretty quiet about our leadership in 3D printing. That's because we've been pretty busy delivering the 3D printed dream.